Today's connected world is driven by digital technology, and so the definition of literacy now includes digital literacy, financial literacy and other such life skills for ease of living. Recognizing the transitions happening in the education sector where digital technology has come to dominate the face of most remote learnings, the Government of India has announced a National Digital Educational Architecture, or in short NDAR. NDAR is a product based on the recommendation of National Education Policy that aims to bring resilience in school education. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while speaking on Shiksha Parv, said that the NDAR is going to play an important role in making India's education ecosystem modern by eliminating inequality in education.
स्टूडेंट्स को शिक्षा में असमानता का शिकार होना पड़ता है, लेकिन SQAF अब इस खाई को पाटने का काम करेगा। इसकी सबसे बड़ी खूबी है कि इस फ्रेमवर्क में अपनी जरूरत के हिसाब से बदलाव करने की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी भी राज्य के पास होगी। स्कूल्स भी इसके आधार पर अपना मूल्यांकन खुद ही कर सकेंगे। इसके आधार पर स्कूलों को एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल चेंज के लिए प्रोत्साहित भी किया जा सकेगा। साथियों, शिक्षा में असमानता को खत्म करके उसे आधुनिक बनाने में नेशनल डिजिटल एजुकेशनल आर्किटेक्चर यानी NDAR की भी बड़ी भूमिका होने वाली है। जैसे UPI इंटरफेस ने बैंकिंग सेक्टर को रिवोल्यूशनाइज कर दिया है, वैसे ही NDAR सभी एकेडमिक एक्टिविटीज के बीच एक सुपर कनेक्ट का काम करेगा। एक स्कूल से दूसरे स्कूल में जाना हो या हायर एजुकेशन में एडमिशन, मल्टीपल एंट्री एग्जिट की व्यवस्था हो या एकेडमिक क्रेडिट बैंक और छात्रों की स्किल्स का रिकॉर्ड, सब कुछ NDAR के जरिए आसानी से उपलब्ध होगा। ये सभी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस हमारे न्यू एज एजुकेशन का चेहरा भी बनेंगे और क्वालिटी एजुकेशन में भेदभाव को भी खत्म करेंगे।
Let's understand what is NDAR in detail. NDAR is a federated public digital education infra that will support teaching, learning, education planning, administration and governance activities for all stakeholders through a common digital architecture as envisioned by NEP 2020. The scope and focus area of NDAR are Diksha platform, Swayam Prabha TV channel, on-air Shiksha Vani, e-Pathshala and telecast through TV channels. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Shiksha Parv said that just as the UPI interface has revolutionized the banking sector, NDAR will act as a super connect between all academic activities. NDAR will facilitate transfer from one school to another or admission in higher education, multiple entry exit systems, academic credit bank or maintaining the records of the skill of the students. All these transformations will also become the face of India's new age education and will also end discrimination in quality education. In a webinar titled Technology in Education NDAR, the Ministry of Education said that National Digital Education Architecture has a short linkage with achieving the goal of digital literacy. Rajneesh Kumar, Director of Digital Education in the Ministry of Education, mentioned that the National Digital Education Architecture comes with a vision to create a unifying national digital trope to energize and catalyze the education ecosystem. The challenges in the Indian education system are varied, complex, and they require a diverse approach. Technology is known to be an enabler in achieving the goal of quality universal education. Rajneesh Kumar highlighted that the NDAR will pave the way to achieve learning outcomes by offering solutions to learners and teachers. Today, the digital ecosystem of education needs to take a long-term view of aspects like interoperability, data governance, data quality, data standards, security and privacy, besides promoting open innovation. The pandemic has shown that technological solutions are scalable and stakeholders, students, teachers, parents are able to adapt to technology in a short span of time. This highlighted the need for a technology framework, an architecture and an ecosystem approach to allow different stakeholders to participate in and create solutions in an exponential manner. In lieu of all these developments, the government has come up with NDEAR to create an ecosystem of actors to build, develop and innovate interoperable building blocks for the country. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to know more about developments happening in the education ecosystem of India.